Hello everyone, so once again welcome back to BM English channel. I am Surya. I hope you are all doing well and your preparations are going so well. So today we are here because of the form filling video of Maersk in association with AMET for the batch August 2026 of BSc and BTech. So yeah, let's get into it. Yes, so this is the homepage of the AMET IST. So here we can see the admission and just go to the Maersk application form. Yes, then you will be getting this login page. So you have to just enter your basic details and all, and we'll just click submit. So let's fill it out quickly. Okay, now there will be a verification email which will be coming to the email address which you have just mentioned before. So we'll just quickly verify it, then we'll just come back. Yeah. Okay, so once we are done with our verification of our email and phone number, we'll be redirected to this page. Also, you will be receiving your login credentials, that is your username and password in your email address. Okay, so once we are here, we'll just click on start your application. Then we will select the UG application form 2026. Also, the application form is mentioned here. It is 1330 rupees. Okay, 1330 rupees it is. Okay, so we will click on apply now. Okay, so after this page, the real application filling will be starting with our names, our parents details, our address and education qualifications and all. So we'll get started with it. Okay, so once you are in this form filling page, okay, before starting with this, make sure that you fill out each and every details with carefulness, and also make sure that you mandatorily fill all the sections which is marked with this sign, which is red star sign. Okay, because that are the mandatory details they are asking for. Without that you will not be able to proceed further. Okay, so we'll start with the personal details. We have multiple sections here to fill out, so we'll start with the personal details first. Okay, so you have to fill out your name, your title and the email address and mobile number. Make sure you fill out it correctly, properly, just make sure. Okay, then followed with your date of birth, gender and blood group. Then comes your religion, nationality and the Aadhaar card number, which is mandatory to fill it, and your caste. These are the mandatory options in here. You can also fill out the other options if you want. Okay, then comes the passport section. If you have a passport, just click on yes or else no. Then the passport number, country, place of issue of your passport, then the date of issue and the date of expiry as well. Okay, then here comes they ask about your sports achievement, like any state, national or any kind of certificate, international certificate if you have, then just click. If you have any, just opt for it, or else just none. How do you come to know about AMET University? Then are you aware of the fee structure? Yes. Do you belong to EWS section, which is economically weaker section? Okay, if you do belong to it, just click on yes, or else just click no. Then we'll proceed. Okay, now it's time to fill the parents details here. Okay, so we'll start with our father's details. Okay, father's details, father's name, father's email address, father's mobile number, guardian's occupation, okay, which is your father's occupation, and the income, annual income of your father. Same for your mother's details, mother's name, mobile number, email address, mother's occupation and annual income if you want to. Then we'll just proceed by clicking on next. Okay, then comes the address section. So you can fill out your country, state, district, which city do you belong to, and you have to also mention your address. Then comes the pin code also. Yes, after filling all this, make sure you filled out the right information, then just click on next. Okay, now we will be redirected to the next section, which is your educational details. So we'll start with the 10th details. Your 10th school name, which board you completed your 10th from, year of passing, and marking scheme, which is percentage or CGPA, whatever it is. Then comes your total percentage or CGPA and the English percentage or CGPA. Okay, after that your 12th school name, school address, which state does the school belong to, district, and the pin code of your school. Then comes your marks details, which board you have completed your 12th from, exam registration ID, and which stream do you belong to in 12th, and result status. If you have completed your 12th and your results are already out, opt for declare or just click on awaited. Okay, then specify entrance examination center. It's basically asking for a preference for your examination center. Yeah, so you can opt for your exam center accordingly. Okay, here then it asks for your JEE, IMUCET or any other state level entrance examination. So if you have any, you can just mention it. You can just click on CET. Okay, you can click on CET. Then you can mention your IMUCET number, month and year of passing, and the rank which you have secured in your CET. Okay, after doing, just click on next, so that we will be redirected to the next section, which is to upload your files. That is your passport size photo, then your signature, handwritten signature. Then those both are the mandatory files which you have to upload. Also then you can upload your 10th certificate or your 12th certificate, and also passport or Aadhaar or PAN card. Any of this one is mandatory. Okay, so I am just uploading my Aadhaar, a dummy Aadhaar card I am uploading. Then if you have, before you have chosen for the EW certificate, make sure that you upload it as well. Okay, then comes the declaration part. We'll just click on I agree, then just check for your details, then press on continue. Then it will be redirected to your payment page. Okay, just make sure your details are correct, and as we said earlier, the exam fees is 1330 rupees including the convenience charges and all. Then we'll just click on make payment, which will be redirected to the gateway of payment gateway. Then you can do your payment as your wish from UPI ID, card, wallets or net banking, however you may prefer. Okay, so after doing the payment, you will be receiving a confirmation for your payment in your email address which you have mentioned previously. Okay, so this is how you basically fill your form for the AMET and Maersk. Okay, so I hope this clears your doubts regarding the form filling of AMET Maersk. So if you have any further doubts, you can please click in the link in the description for our Google Forms and fill it out, and one of our mentors will be contacting you and clearing your doubts. Okay, so we'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.